Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. This is Felicity and I will take you through the rental management software starting by signing in with your credentials on the website. All right, yeah. So over here you have to click on rent button. Now over here all of the dashboards will appear. So first we'll see the dashboard of rental management software. So yeah, now you have to click again on the same button. Now over here we'll see the property listing section as well. So to add any new property, you have to click on add record. Then you have to mention the name of property over here, and then the property owner and property type, subtype, furnishing, and the number of bedrooms and number of bathrooms as well. All right, yeah. So now let's go towards the next step. Now over here, you have to click on any of the option you can select. Now moving towards the next part would be the pricing. You have to enter any pricing for the property as well. Now over here, you can add any attachments of any house or any other property if you want. Now it would be the last step. You just need to save the property listing. Now moving towards the third dashboard, that would be of booking. So now you have to click on booking. Over here, you have to do the same thing as we did before. You have to click on add booking. Now you have to mention the check-in and check-out dates for the property that you want to book. And for here, you have to mention the payment terms, the pricing for the property. And yep, now you have to click on the add booking button and you have to save it. Now the last option would be you have to click again on rent button. Now the integration, so it would be the last option of integration that would allow you for the all third-party integration methods. So this is the whole demo of the rental management software. Hope you like it. Thanks. Bye.